Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to view QR codes. Okay, how to check your recovery code in Zoom. How to check your recovery code in Zoom. The first thing you do is open up the homepage of your Zoom app or your website, that is zoom.us. Go to the homepage and from here, left side here, click on profile and then you scroll down and you can see this option for two-factor authentication. It has to be on. Make sure it is turned on, and then you have to configure your authentication app by clicking on setup, and then you put in the password to get your one-time password protocol, and use any app that supports the one-time password protocol. That is like Google Authenticator. Then once you put in the password, set up the authenticator and click on next. So you continue from there, follow the options. Once you're through with setting up your authenticator app, then at the bottom here you have recovery codes. It will not be available. Instead, what you see here is view codes. So from there, next thing you do is, once you click on view codes, under the recovery code section, you are to enter your Zoom account password when you're prompted. Then Zoom will then display a list of your recovery codes. Please note to store these codes securely. Treat these codes like highly sensitive information. Store them in a secure location such as password manager and do not share them with anyone. Now you have to use the recovery code wisely. Each code can only be used once. Use them only when absolutely necessary, such as when you cannot access your authentication app. You can generate a new set of recovery code at any time within your Zoom account settings. By following these steps, you can easily access and manage your Zoom two-factor authenticator recovery code to ensure secure access to your account. That is how to check recovery code in Zoom. It's as simple as that. Don't forget to follow the steps and you'll be able to find and see your recovery codes in your Zoom or web browser. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this one which we put up every day. That's it everyone. Hope to see you in the next one. To have a lovely day or night depending on your time zone. See you later.